Right, let's continue. Right, so they want to know the annual take-home pay. She works 52 hours. Oh gosh, I forgot my calculator. Anyway, so Irma's take-home pay is 4,320 per fortnight. Each fortnight, Irma's pay is allocated according to the following. What will be the annual? How you getting the annual? Sorry? Right. So you're taking right, 4,320 and you're multiplying it by 52 divided by 2. Sorry. Yes, now. How much you got? 100 and 320. Nice. Okay. Next part. Everybody okay with that? Easy marks, right? That's how you want. We're into the easy marks today. Determine the amount of money that Irma allocates to rent each month. Rent. So you want to find out how much he allocates to rent. Wait, I'm going to show you the next part one time now. Oh, wait, no. Plenty reading. All right, just work out rent then. Finish? Hurry. 1 mark, or 2 marks or something. Right? How are we doing this, Michelle? I'm so very rich. Come on, what's to do then? You have rent, food, expenses, savings, and total. How we getting rent? Right, so you work it out, you add the add 1750 twice by mistake. Right, so how much you got? 3x is equal to 1420 minus 629 minus 1750, and then you solve for x. How much is x? 647. So that's the amount in rent, right? And living expenses is 2 by that, but it didn't answer that, right? Huh? No, I mean living expenses. Wait, this 647 is for 2 weeks or 1 week? And they ask a month? The amount of rent each month. So we had to multiply that by 2, right? So you have multiplied by 2. So you multiply by 2 to get the monthly rent. How much is that? 1,294. Oh, what's the next part? All of Irma's, like, go ahead. See, all the parents saving all the money, sending all the school now. What should I do? I didn't point, I just watched in the direction. I didn't point at you. Time, right? 2 minutes, 2 minutes. You want time yourself? You want time on it, or do you time the last time? Oh, 5 minutes. Right, put this out, please. Right, all of Irma's saving is used to pay for her son's university. How much is the savings, Olya? 1750, okay. So the savings is 1750. Right, 1750. Right, multiply that by 2 and we'll get it total every month. Right, how much is that? 3005. So she's saving 3005 per month. So you can work it out per year if you want and then check it, but she has to save this amount, right? So that's 150,000, right? Divided by 3,500 is how many months? How much? Just give me the months now. 42 point something months. 42.9. And then you divide it by 12 to get the number of years, right? How much is that? 3.57 years. They want the minimum number of years. So that means it will take a 4 year. Right? But when you're doing questions like this, do not leave out the exact value. Right? The exact value and then do your rounding off, right? So it takes approximately 4 years. Right? That's supposed to be an approximate sign there. All right, let's go again. Stop doing that now. Hey, stop doing that. Well, reach them out. Right, let's go again. Ready? Next one. Number 2. Right, I'll leave both of them there, right? Look it out fast. 1 mark and 1 mark at 10. 1 and 2, sorry, 1 and 2. Yes. Okay, I'll go one time then. I'll zoom in, I'll leave both of them, right? Hurry up. Work it out fast. I'm not giving them much time at all. Work it out quick. Right, time up. So it will be 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied by p to the 2 by p to the 5. 3 by 4 is 12. Add the powers, right? So you'll get 12 p to the power 7. Easy marks there, right? Let's go again. Show your working. Should be all right. Now you working. Yes, I heard you. Well, here you won't punish you, but right, you're working, right? Just 1 mark for that. Next one. Try this one here. That's part 2, right? Take your time, work on this one. Message what you get online. To be sure, check back your part 1, right? Savi again, sure. Working to be sure when you watch it alone. Working. Yes? Yes? We have to hurry up. Is that not giving you much time? All right, time up. So it will be 3x over 4y cubed division turn some multiply. What is do again? Right, flip over the second fraction, right? Flip invert, same thing. All right. 4 into this 1, 4 into 25. 3 into this 1, 3 into 21, 7. Right? We could cancel the x's as well. X cancel here. This y squared cancel here. So we'll be left with 1 by 5. 1y by 7. So that's 7xy. Right? Let's go again. Right, you can do it. So that's why you can work it out the next way. Multiply the whole thing if you want. Right, let's go again. Take your time. Solve message answers. Nice killing. I like how you're messaging with that. Diego, don't forget me. Harish. Soraya. You message anything else there, Soraya? Tanika, you too. Three marks, right? 3 marks. It's not asking everything, right? Right, remember when you have fractions, how you get rid of fractions? LCM and work it out. Right, do the little fraction thing. Right, if you have A on B plus C on D, it'll be B by D, A by D plus B by C. But you need to remember something. When it's equal to 0, then the numerator is 0. That's one way you can do it. The next way you can do it, move across the 1 on X and then cross multiply. So you have a few options. What you did, Josiah? Anyone you want. So you can simplify the left, or you can move across the 1 on X. You have 2 fractions, cross multiply. Right? This is generally how you simplify your fractions, right? And if it equal to 0, what does that mean? If a fraction equal to 0, what does that mean? It means that the numerator is 0. Hey. Done? Right, message your answers. I've seen some fractions and thing here. Well, I get fractions. All right. That's not what you'll say. I accept doing that. When am I on? Hey, no, when am I on? All right, time up. Let's see. So if you use the simplification method and you see the fraction method, I mean, you'll get 7x minus 1 by x. You'll get 3 by x, and then you'll get 1 by 7x minus 1. As I told you before, if a fraction is equal to 0, then the numerator 3x plus 7x minus 1 is 0. Right? The numerator is 0. So 10x is 1, x is 1/10. But man, this is what I do, right? It's a fraction, watch. 2 fractions, right? So I multiply this by this to get a denominator. You remember that? Then I multiply this by this to get this part here. And then do that. Right? Once you see a fraction, you can always treat the fraction like that. Okay? 1 on 10. Let's go. Next one. Write this fast. Write this fast. All seen it? That's part C. Write that quick. C. That's C part 1. All right, time up. Well, then read it. Sorry, right. Read it fast. Read it fast. Right, Shivish, what you got here? Huh? Y equal to minus the other square something. What would it be? Hurry. Same, what you got? 2x all squared. Right? Not 2x squared. 2x, all of it is squared. The question said the result is squared. Right? It said the result is squared. Yeah, because this is 4x squared. Right? If you write 2x squared, then it's wrong. Let's go again. Determine the 2 values of x. Go ahead. Well, what you doing here to find the 2 values of x? Solve simultaneously. Very good. Go ahead. Solve it simultaneously. Let's see what you get. Bring it to this one. Let's follow it. Come on. Bring the slide it just around. On the seal. Can you solve it? I'm Vishal. It's been a long way. She decided to solve it, does that? Why? Yeah. How you solve simultaneously? You finish? How you solve simultaneously? Shibisha, you doing that? Shibisha, can solve simultaneously? He messed you up, boy. Turn around and do your thing. Right, message answers online. I have one so far, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hurry up. Yeah. So, come down here. After this, oh, you can now reach it. And this one. After this one, it's time, right?
This is a time as well, not stopwatch. I use a stopwatch.
Finish. Let's go there. So you're solving y is equal to 4x squared, y is equal to x, right? So you can substitute 1 in the x and you'll get 4x squared is equal to x, or 4x squared minus x is 0. You could do a little factorization and you will get 4x minus 1. You'll get x is 0, x is a quarter. Oh, no, you don't know that because you are not writing. I was saying that you know that. I was saying do one. I'm not going to bring it here. So I want to show you working. I want to see all your working. All right, let's go again. That was how about see what? Oh, sorry. That's what I meant. I factorize it. Is that quadratic? All right, so I just factorize it. What? For what? No, one.
5 minutes.
Let's go again. So we'll be going back now to that was June. We're going to Jan now. I'm not doing number 1, right? Check in the group now and you'll see what Jan's talking about, right? Yes. We shall by. Go ahead, just do it number 2. Oh yeah, do number 2 for me. You guys, you know? If we could do the whole of number 2, that's good, right? It's in the group. Wait, Ash, Wednesday, Mars. Right, make X the subject, right? Right, true be shall, right? True be shall in any man book my. And then you done? Right, the good thing is we part together the fraction, right? Get rid of the fractions. 2 minutes, 35 seconds.
I don't
It will.
know.
It's too easy, yeah. Yeah. So any hard ones in the, because it will be open, so if it's too easy.
No.
Well, if it's too easy, but one thing we can do, we can have one. Right on? That the whole thing, okay, so if it works with the whole screen, right? Right, you have to go at your own speed. You already hold paper and then you'll correct it. Hole number 2 now, wash, you know what I mean?
Oh, this not enough. Father.
Sorry.
I don't. And this is our 10. The last.
It's really easy now.
Yeah, they are. I'm doing for the section. Once you see like the cars and they tell you like someone car that they have a space. No. No. Well, this is supposed to be a sense. It's not diameter, it's
Other areas? Or will leave out.
sorry, but
Not 30 seconds, very last one.
fast I am. Maybe I should put the spot.
I'm recording. Well done. Justin, are you working it out? You hold thing, you hold number 2? For the crash course, other one, hard questions, other one, easy first one. Or mix. A mix. April crash course. Everything. Huh? Ready for number 2, So let's move on, pick a stick, let's move on and solve it. That is the quadratic part. I mean, yeah, that's the quadratic part. Then you have this part here. How long again you need? What you all on? B or C? C? Okay. Look, Tavisha, finish it and type it up. The whole paper. I cannot believe that. Tavisha, finish and type up the whole thing. Good job, Tavisha. Check it out now. No, I passed it already. Here. Right, according to your time, you're supposed to have 4 minutes again. Finish out yours. Not 4, sorry, 3. But I have construction. Yeah, construction. I mean, finish it already, Elena. The whole number 2. Facebook you look my way. I'm breaking in that way. Or the trans study for the mock exam in school, huh? And that's in 2 weeks time. Right, but trans study, we can treat it like a real exam, right? Yeah. How long can you feel per exam? The first exam is about 8 weeks away. 6 months. 6 months you'll get the results. What's up? Yeah, but you still gotta get a full paper. Right, time up. Let's go. We shall guide me along here, please.
On sheets.
All right, so let's start here. Let's start here, right? So first thing first, let's multiply everything by 5 so we don't have to deal with any fractions anymore, right? So you multiply everything by 5 here, you'll get 5y is equal to x plus 15p. We're trying to make x the subject. So bring the x on the right side, bring everything else all right. Move across the 15p now. Altogether? Easy? Yeah? Next one, let's go again. Right, to solve this, what's a long way to solve this? Right, you could use the quadratic formula, but in most cases you can factorize it, right? So if I factor out x here, I'll be left with 2x minus 9, right? If you have two products equal to 0, then one of them is 0. X is 0 and x is equal to 9 on 2. How you doing?
So 2 mark.
Right, next one. A farmer wishes to enclose a rectangular fence. The width is 3 meters less than the length, right? So what do I put for the length, Shavish? Yeah. The width is 3 meters less than the length. So what letter am I using for the length? What will the width be? What will the length be? Sorry? L? 3L minus the length, no? It's 3 meters less. Okay, but L minus 3. Right? And then you want to get area. How you find area again? If we shall. So the area is length by L minus 3.
What?
Right? What's the area equal to? How does you reach your class already? Right, the area is equal to 378. L by L is L squared minus 3L minus 378 is 0. That's okay. So you just multiply it out and work it out, right? What do you ask for after to work it out? Oh, okay. Right, good. Any questions there? She didn't work it out. I told us that, yeah, look at trouble. This one here is what? F is proportional to the extension E. So you're writing F is proportional to extension, right? What do you do to move it to the equation? What you do? You just take off the proportional sign and you just write equal and K, right? So the answer F is equal to KE. That's okay? Next one. Next question here, they want you to obtain X and Y. So what do we do with these values here, Zaria? And find K, right? Find K first, and then you could use it to find. So K is equal to F1E, which is 8 over 0.2, which is 40. K is 40. Now we have the equation, right? Now we have the equation that can help us find x and y. So f is equal to 40e. When f is 25, we can solve for x. X is equal to 25 on 40, which is 5/8. Next one. Sorry. Yeah. And last one, y is equal to 40 multiplied by 3.2. What's that? 128. All right, nice. Let's go again. So that's number 2. Let's take a look at number 3, but you all do have construction, you all do have protractor and compass. Any questions online there? Right, Shivani, Shivani, you're doing it. Wait, Shivani, you're number 3 already? Wait, that's still on number 2. All right, but you got all the others right. All right, good. Okay, nice. Right, number 3. All right, here to do for me. Let's cheat. Do the construction and tell me where the arc's supposed to be. That's how I mean. So like you draw the shape and just tell me where the arc's supposed to be. So it will kind of show me that you kind of have an idea of what to do.
So that's what's wrong with it, so it's-
Why did you reach out here soon?
Because I look at the questions, yeah. Then why would you?
Right?
No. Which one?
Oh yeah. So within this sketch, I want to see the arcs, right? I want to see the line. I want to see what you think the arcs would have been. Tomorrow. If you want, just watch a video. It's about 35 minutes of the video. Right. How you'll get in 19? Semicircle, arc here, arc here, arc here, and arc here. Nice. Right? How you'll get is 60. Point here. Remember, they could check for the holes as well, right? So yeah, you gotta make sure you use your protractor. Well, that's what we used to do a long time. So like we put it up because remember anybody could put the arcs. So we will actually check for the holes and things. All right, good. Next hole there, yeah. So your arcs will look like that, right? Right, let's go again. Oh no, what happened there? Disconnected. Next one, triangles. Try this here. Check it in your phone in the meantime until I can get back up again. Right, try it here. What's the rule we're using for? What's the rule we're going to use here? What type of triangle is this? Pythagoras triangle? Right, yes, it's a right angle triangle and we're using Pythagoras theorem. Right, go ahead.
It's not too long. This isn't too long.
All right, ready? So since it's Pythagoras theorem, we're using c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Right, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Right. They want to do, how we do the next part, Alina? Right, in terms of a, b, c, sine theta plus cos theta. How we doing that? How you find sine theta? Theta is here, right? What the general thing for theta? Can you get, remember? Right, so what opposite it? Right, and the hypotenuse. What's the next one? Yeah, easy. Easy peasy chicken squeeze. Why is lemon squeeze?
Chicken squeezy.
Oh.
You squeeze chicken.
All right, next one. Hello, Kyoda. Let's go again. Use the results in A and B to show that is, hey, this is very nice. Sine squared plus cos squared is 1. Right? So you have to use the results to show that sine theta squared plus cos theta squared is 1. Really, really nice. Really, really nice.
You look so weird.
That's that was 0 theta.
That's a
right? If you'll get message message QED or yes. Yes? Huh? Vishal, go try thing for yourself now, boy. Try and see if we can put together 1 and 2. This is sine theta squared plus cos theta squared is 1. Just see if we can find sine theta squared and cos theta squared. You should be. What are you doing, Shabby? Oh, Shabby? Huh? Looking right here, Shabby. You don't have to go anywhere, Shabby. Try it from a please, Shabby. What are you going to do?
Sorry. I just got the area of a triangle. I just found the area of a triangle. Hmm? That's all this about. Was all. No.
Two QEDs anymore? You get?
Yeah. These ones and I'll find out what to find those ones.
Any more QEDs online? Right, what do we have again? We have C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. And we have what? A over C, I think. And we have A over C plus B over C. Questions to you. I'll bring in the subject.
I guess if you go to the really easy papers, because the English was very easy.
All right, time up. So let's see. So we know that A squared plus B squared is equal to C squared, right? So watch this here. If we divide everything by C squared, you'll get A squared on C squared plus B squared on C squared is 1. But you are not done. The question asks for sine theta squared plus cos theta squared, right? We know that sine theta is A on C. We know that cos theta is B on C. If we square everything, we'll get A squared C squared plus, which we could see here is, so we could see from equation 1, the answer is 1. Okay. That's okay there? Any questions online? So I took part 1 and I showed this. And then I square part 2 and again, right? You okay with that there? Hi, Prasad. You okay with that there? Patel? Huh? What's up? Oh, yeah, I use part 1 as well. Yeah. If you're doing that mass now, that's clear. Right? Let's go back. Oh shucks, time already. Okay, it was a bad idea. Let's go on. No, don't call that nothing. Let's go back and do the next number 3 then. Real fast. I thought you would have reached number 5, but I am at Michelle talking. I'll do it. Where you going? We're not done. All right, so we're doing the next number 3. Ignore that. Oh wait, that's the wrong one. What's the year that we just did? Jan or June? All right. We have a slight problem here. This whole question is no. Right, transformations. Help me out here. Right, we have to do this together, right? Transformation. Azaria. ABC is mapped onto LMN. Right, label or reflection in the y-axis. Tell me where to put LMN. Oh wait, LMN. Yes. Tell me where to put L, M, and N. -1, 2. You mean? Reflect. Yeah, y-axis. -2, 1. You sure? Reflect E in the y-axis. You see now? 1 block away, right? -1, 1, right? Right, B. B now. L, M, that is M. -1, 4. Right, C, last one. Get this one right. -3, 1. All right. Right. Describe the full transformation. What?
So that is the answer.
Let me just do that. Hold on. Describe fully a single transformation that maps ABC onto LMN. Oh wait, Azaria. We didn't. We had to reflect in the X followed by reflect in the Y. Sorry, I made a mistake. I only saw Y. So we had to reflect and reflect again. So let's do it fast. Right here, 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 right? And then reflect in the Y now. So that's here, here, and here. Right. How do we go from here to here? Single transformation. A rotation through the center 0, 0 by 180 degrees. Yeah. Like with 180 degrees. Anything else could work? Could anything else work? A reflection along the line y is equal to -x. That should also work. A reflection in the line y is equal to -x. Right? When I show about. So if it's a rotation, you want to go from here. You want to go from here to here. Right? If you look at it, if you see it here at the center, to figure out the angle you're turning at, just connect the 2 points, measure the angle. So it's 180 clockwise, or it could be 180 anti-clockwise. Anyone can move. State the 2 by 2 matrix for that. Anybody remember it? Was it 2 by 2 matrix for a rotation of 180? Something had to change, signs had to change. Anybody remember it? Anybody online remember your matrices? So that's something you had to learn, right? Anybody remember it? 0. Yeah. Remember, sure to multiply it. If you have the point, what was the point again? 1, 1 was the point, and the answer was what? What was the answer? I think the x value change sign. Yeah, I think the x value change sign. Now -1 positive or final thing down in the end, -1, -1. So what you could do is this: apply matrix multiplication here. You can apply matrix multiplication. Yeah, apply matrix multiplication and find the ABCD. So you'll get something like this, right? You will get A plus C is equal to -1. Actually, you only get 2 equations. So you want to find the inverse and work it out. Move this across and find the inverse. As you know, you can work it out now. Anyway, I'm gonna show you. Anybody knows the answer offhand? Off your hand, yeah. Off your hand. Yeah. Right, 0. Right, that's the answer. 0 -1 -1 0. Okay, so row by column, yeah. All right. All right. So next day we'll finish up the rest of it, right? And we'll start back to revise again. Right. I will be looking at topics like circle theorem and all the others, right? Or you can do some homework. Shall you do that next week? Should we you get enough homework for sure. Right. Next day finishing up these papers, right? Next day we'll finish up these papers. Yeah. I'll do a session on matrices and vectors. Actually, you know what? I'll have to start back because we only have 4 classes again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrices, vectors, circle theorem, and there was one more topic that you all wanted. All right. Anyway, I'll check it back on